just watching your every move. You're way too cool and you're coming this way, coming this way. How did we end up talking in the first place? You said you liked my coat, make sure that we're walking back to your place. You're telling me how you love that song about living on your plan. I'm pretty sure that we're halfway there, but when I wake up next to you, I wonder how did we end up here? How did we end up here? Next day out, everybody thought you were so insane, 'cause you were so far out of my league. My friends say I should lock you down before you figure me out and you run away.